Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install Roblox in Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So the process will be very easy and anyone can download and install it. So let's get started. So here, click on the start icon and then go to Microsoft Store. You can also search Microsoft Store right there. And then we will type Roblox in the search bar and I'll hit enter. And here you will find Roblox Gaming and Action Adventure. Roblox is a ultimate virtual universe. And you can see 43K ratings are there. And you just need to click on Get. The moment you will click on Get, it will start downloading and installing. Please make sure you have enough drive space in your computer. So you can see it is getting queued, preparing to download, and very soon it will be downloaded and installed. So once it is getting downloaded, you can scroll down and you can see what all you can do, what are the description, the ratings, and the features. You can see the release date and size. All right. And once you can see it is already getting downloaded and you can install it. And once it is installed, you just need to click on open and you can play Roblox. The only thing is that you need to create an account or you can sign in, right? So enjoy Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.